Well, a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. My name is Teacher Enosoft, and well, I have something here for you. For those doing mathematics at your O level, senior 5 and then senior 6. I have here a copy of scenario-based sample items. A page has 50 pages, just like how you can see them. And then it is UACE mathematics sample items, applied mathematics. And here's item 1. Actually, there are more than 80 items. I'm going to share this file with you. For those who would like to get a copy, you're going to check in the comment section. Now, item 1 says the healthy department at Kakaile High School recently initiated a wellness monitoring program to assess the nutritional impact of the school lunch menu. To evaluate the current state, they collected weight data from a sample of 40 students. Their goal is to determine whether any dietary adjustments are necessary. According to the policy, if the average weight of the sampled students is below 35 kg, meat will be added to the menu on Tuesdays and then Fridays. Otherwise, the current meal plan will be maintained. Additionally, the department wants to identify the most common weight range among students using a graphical representation, then which will be presented to the school administration. Concerned about rising obesity levels, they also intend to calculate the number of students weighing above 48 kilograms to include in their official health report. Then they managed to collect the following data, just like how you can see a table showing weight that is in kilograms, 10 to 19 up to 50 to 59, and then the number of students. We have 2, 10, 15, 8, and then 5. Here comes the task. The health department is seeking your assistance to, number 1, identify out if they need to change their lunch menu. 2, use a graph to identify the most common weight. Then lastly, determine the number of students who weigh more than 45 kg. That is item 1. You can sit down if you're doing mathematics at your A level, senior 5 or senior 6. Sit down and then try out that number. Then still, after trying it out, you can share it with me on my email or the email that I'm going to share with you later. So the email will be info will be info at ugistudyresources.org. So if you're done with your number, try to share it here on this email, and then I'll be replying it back. I'll be sending it to the mathematics department, and then they do make a score guide. Just if there's anything to change, then we'll be in touch with you. Or you can use another email, which is enosoft at ugistudyresources.org. You can still share it on my email. Then the item 2. Here comes item 2. At an inter-school talent competition, the students Tom, Jane, Peter, Mary, John, and Vic performed in front of a panel of 3 judges: Judge A, the senior judge, Judge B, and Judge C. Each judge awarded marks out of 50 to every student. The competition organizers intend to award medals as follows: gold for the student in first place, silver for second place, and then bronze for third place. To ensure fairness and consistency, the final rankings will not rely on all three judges' scores. Instead, the organizers have decided that 1. The final scores will be based on the average of the senior judges' scores, that is Judge A and one other judge, either Judge B or Judge C. The second judge will be selected based on who has the highest correlation in scoring with Judge A, as this reflects greater alignment and consistency in their evaluations. The judges' scores for each student are shown in the table below. You can see the table. The table has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns and then 4 rows showing the students. That is Tom, Jane, Peter, Mary, John, and then Vicky, with the marks from the judges. That is Judge A, Judge B, Judge C. Then here comes the task. Help the organizers to 1. Identify the judge with the highest correlation with the senior judge. 2. Determine which students will receive the gold, silver, and bronze medals based on the highest average scores from the selected judges. So that's item 2. However, there's still item 3 and then other items, just like how you can see it. If you want to get a copy of this file, just feel free to check in the comment section. And also don't forget, if you're out there and then you want to get such questions to try out, you can use this website. Go in Google and then type in app.ugisaresources.org. You're going to find site of this kind. Feel free to browse either by searching here the paper that you are looking for, let us say mathematics, or any subject, or you can still use this part whereby you can select the subject. If it's CLE, Uganda, Submath, ILE, Physics, ICT, General, or you can choose here your class. If it's Senior 5, after clicking Senior 5, they will show you all the resources in Senior 5, just like how you can see them. Then if you're in Senior 6 or Senior 4, you click in Senior 4, then they will show you all the items in Senior 4. If you land on an item that is worth trying out, feel free, let's say Senior 4 Mathematics Workshop, feel free to download it. Or let us say there is Senior 4 pre-mock examination scenario questions. You click on the download button and then they will ask the name, your email, why email, this is where your paper will be sent, then WhatsApp number where our team can contact you for anything. Once you put here the number that has that amount of money, which is just 500 UGX, then after you putting in the PIN, your paper will be downloaded automatically, and then a copy will be sent on your email that you will have provided in this box. So that's it, and I wish you the best. I remain Enosoft. Stay on and then keep sharing, and also encourage your colleagues to subscribe, because we still have a lot to share with you, not only in mathematics but also in other subjects. Allow me to wish you all the best. Bye bye.